In project management, efficiency is everything. AI is your new superpower. This is your 2-minute guide to the top 5 AI tools transforming the field today. First, Asana Intelligence, the ultimate tool for team synergy. Its AI intelligently balances workloads, preventing burnout. A project lead says, "It turned our chaotic sprints into a symphony." Next, ClickUp AI, the master of customization. It generates entire project reports from a single prompt, saving hours. As one manager put it, "It's my personal command center." Third, Trello's Butler AI, the king of visual automation. It automates workflows with simple rules, keeping projects flowing seamlessly. A user raves, "It's the simplest way to put processes on autopilot." Then there's Monday.com AI, the best for proactive risk management. Its AI predicts potential roadblocks, letting you solve issues before they exist. The feedback: "We're fixing problems before they even happen." Finally, Motion, the leader in intelligent time blocking. It doesn't just schedule your tasks, it protects your focus time. A testimonial sums it up. "It's not a scheduler, it's my time strategist." These tools aren't just assistants, they are strategic partners. Embrace them to elevate your projects and redefine what's possible.